Now there's a lot of little corms that were planted in this pot, and so you'll notice that there are a lot of little plants in here. Okay, each plant will send up one flower spike, and you'll notice again that the flowers begin at the base, begin to senesce, to open up in the middle, and then you still have these flower structures here on the tip that are available for blooming. All right, grape hyacinth typically grow to be 8 inches to a foot tall, so you're not looking at a very large plant, larger than the crocus, but smaller than everything else pretty much. Okay, does have a fragrance most of the time, so but for the most part you just typically grow them for these nice little masses of purple foliage. And then you see this sort of strap-like foliage. Again, you notice you can kind of see how they named it hyacinth, grape hyacinth, because it's also got that keeled like foliage, the tip. Okay, you'll notice that if you rub your hand down the center of the leaf, it actually splits the tip of the leaf because it's been sort of fused. That's what I should say. Probably a better indication or a better description of it is a fused leaf tip. All right, and then that flower structure emanates out from the center of that vegetative growth and is 8 inches to well, typically 8 inches tall.
And
so.
fused tip like the same as the Dutch hyacinth.
Exactly. So that's what I say. This was hyacinth, Dutch hyacinth. So this is grape hyacinth. That's one way you can keep them sort of clumped together, is this fused tip on the foliage. But you'll never get these two confused because you'll never see a Dutch hyacinth with a leaf that's that thin. All right, the leaf will always be much thicker on the Dutch hyacinth. Okay? Look for these little